Wealthsimple, Questrade. If you're looking for investment software for your own personal specific needs, you're in the right place. We're going to have a look at both of these platforms. We want to know why they are the right choice and which one is suited best for you. So let's climb in. We're having a look at Wealthsimple now, and Wealthsimple is automated investing, and you actually use sophisticated algorithms to manage your investments. So there's no constant oversight needed. Also, there's recurring deposits, automatic rebalancing, and dividend reinvestment work, which is all done silently. Basically, what happens is your money is growing steadily. These automated features help maintain discipline. Even beginners can achieve long-term financial goals. You get commission-free and stock and crypto trading. More than 14,000 stocks and ETFs. Also, more than 90 cryptocurrencies, and there is no charge. So there's no extra fees for USD trades. So deposit significant amounts, which can be done instantly, and you can start trading immediately. It's perfect for new investors and active traders alike. There's a wide range of account options as well. So you get registered retirement savings plans, you get tax-free savings plans, you also get a locked-in retirement account. And as you can see, they all have their own specifics, such as tax deferred growth, contributions, reduce taxable income, and it's ideal also for retirement planning. There are some tax-free investment growth, and also such as the locked-in retirement accounts. It's for more of a transferred pension fund. You get withdrawal restrictions until your retirement, and the options are open. Let's have a look at Questrade now. So Questrade is actually commission-free stock and ETF trading at its best. It eliminates trading costs for stocks and ETFs. This transparent structure actually benefits investors of any level. With no annual maintenance fees, your money actually keeps working for you. More returns stay in your portfolio instead of covering account costs. Also, Questrade has Edge, which is a trading platform. So it delivers sophisticated tools for any Canadian investor. Its comprehensive charting also helps analyze stock movement effectively. It's available on your desktop as well as a web browser version, and it balances high functionality with an intuitive design. Technical analysis can also become accessible for traders at any level. It has an enhanced mobile experience as well. So you get real-time quotes, a dark and discrete mode, which is nice, and a quick, secure login. So you can get current market data instantly wherever you are, and you can trade comfortably in low light or even public settings. You can access your portfolio fast without actually sacrificing your security as well. Quest Mobile puts trading power in your pocket, which means the app ensures that you never miss an opportunity whilst you're away from your desk. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. If you are looking for the best software, my advice is always to go and use the software. Have a real life first-hand experience with the software and see if it actually works in your specific scenario. If this really was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video.